This is Felicia, and this is what you can't bring on a cruise. Most cruises don't allow service animals. Many countries don't allow you to wear camel pants, and it could get you arrested.
What about these? How about my drone and my selfie stick?
Drones and selfie sticks are not allowed either.
Ah, yes.
Red flag. Anything with a heating element is not allowed on board. Nope. Liquor opened or unopened is not allowed. Sorry, extension cords are not allowed, and I heard Royal Caribbean doesn't even allow converters.
Dynamite, my handy switchblade. I'll take the bullets out.
No weapons on board. Big red flag.